Hi, yoga buddies. Welcome to our playful yoga time. Today, we're going to move, stretch, and play together in a fun and gentle way. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Yoga with Jade and Mel so we can keep moving together. Ready? Let's begin. Standing tall, feet grounded, arms by sides, chest open. Confident, calm stance. Stand tall with arms stretched overhead, palms facing each other, ribs down, shoulders relaxed away from the ears. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Fold forward from the hips, knees slightly bent, hands reaching toward the floor, head relaxed and heavy. From forward fold, lift your chest halfway. Place hands on shins. Keep back long and flat. Gaze slightly forward. Feet slightly wider than hips. Bend deeply into a squat, heels on the floor if possible. Hands together at chest, elbows pressing knees outward to keep the chest lifted. On all fours, round your spine toward the sky. Tuck chin to chest, arms straight, belly pulled in. On all fours, drop belly slightly, lift chest and head, shoulders relaxed, gentle smile.
Form an upside-down V, hands and feet pressing into the mat. Legs long, spine stretched, head relaxed between arms. Step 1 foot forward into a deep lunge. Back knee on the mat, hips sinking gently. Hands rest on the front thigh. Switch sides. Stand on one leg, start right leg, place the other foot on your calf or inner thigh, hands together at heart or lifted overhead. Repeat on left leg. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, fold forward with arms stretching forward, forehead resting on the mat. Sitting cross-legged, spine tall, shoulders relaxed, hands resting on knees. Chin neutral, soft smile. Sit comfortably and take slow, gentle breaths. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, feeling calm and happy in your body. You did an amazing job. Your body moved, stretched, and played so beautifully today. If you had fun, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a yoga buddy. See you next time. Namaste.